Letter number 44. To Ziyad ibn Abi, when he had come to know that Muawiyah had written to Ziyad, to deceive him, and to attach him to himself in kinship. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. I have learnt that Muawiyah has written to you to deceive your wits and blunt your sharpness. You should be on guard against him because he is the shaitan who approaches a believer from the front and from the back, from the right and from the left, to catch him suddenly in the hour of his carelessness, and overcome his intelligence. In the days of Umar ibn Khattab, Abu Sufyan happened to utter a thoughtless point which was an evil suggestion of shaitan, from which neither kinship is established nor entitlement to succession occurs. He who relies on it is like the uninvited guest to a drink party or like the dangling cup, tied to a saddle.